How to uninstall Canva from PC. First of all, click on the Start menu on your Windows PC and go to Settings. From there, select Apps and then click on Install Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. Next, scroll down the list of installed programs until you find Canva. Once you locate it, click on it, then select Uninstall. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to remove Canva from your computer. After this, click on Install again and wait a few moments while Windows removes the program. The uninstallation process may take a short time depending on your system speed. Once the process is complete, Canva will be fully removed from your PC. Now you know how to uninstall Canva from PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.